Hi, and welcome to Link Library Online. If you're looking for a research paper or other journal article but aren't sure where to start, you've come to the right place. This video will discuss the basics of database searching using the Academic Search Premier database. To begin, let's visit the CUNE Library homepage, the starting point for all our research projects. At some point, you'll want to take some time to browse the many resources available here, as they may be valuable to you in the future. For now, make sure to bookmark this website in your browser. To get to the databases, we're going to scroll down to the Quick Links box. Keep in mind that the library website may change appearance occasionally as things are updated, but there will always be a link somewhere for the databases. Click on the View Databases link to open an alphabetical list of our current databases. Scroll down to see the many different databases you have access to. Some may look and work slightly differently, but most have the same basic functionality. It's a good idea to take the time to look over the list to see which databases may be most useful for your research. This video will focus on Academic Search Premier, which is currently at the top of the list. Its format and appearance are the same as many databases which are on the EBSCOhost platform. Go ahead and open the link to Academic Search Premier. If you are accessing the databases off campus, a page will appear asking for your CUNE login information. Once you sign in, it will take you to the page you are seeing now. The process of searching is one of expanding and limiting your results. It's generally better to start broad and then narrow down. Beginning with very narrow results could eliminate helpful articles. One way to broaden our search is to expand it to multiple databases. Above the search box, there is a link to choose databases. From here, you can select any of our databases which are on the EBSCOhost platform. Keep in mind that this is not all of our databases. By selecting more databases, you can search over 20 at one time. Now let's move to searching for articles. You are likely familiar with using search boxes on a regular basis, but these boxes and their function may differ from common search engines, so it's important to understand how they work and how to use them well. You'll notice there are 3 boxes to start, which can be added onto. This is to help you build an organized keyword search according to how the database reads your search terms. For example, if my search term is artificial intelligence, the database will automatically read it as artificial and intelligence because of the space between the words. This will give results for any articles that use the words artificial and intelligence anywhere in the article. To indicate to the database that I want to search for the phrase artificial intelligence, I need to put it in quotation marks. You can see that AND is an option in the drop-down menu connecting the search boxes. AND is a limiter, which we use to limit our searches to articles containing one keyword and another keyword. The other options are OR and NOT. OR is an expander. Using OR expands our search to include articles with similar terms like artificial intelligence or machine learning. We can use these operators to stack terms like this: education, and artificial intelligence or machine learning. This tells the database that you want to find any article that includes education as well as either artificial intelligence or machine learning. This will typically give you greater results. The last tool is NOT. NOT is also a limiter. It will exclude the given word or phrase from your search results. For example, searching for artificial intelligence, not ChatGPT, would result in a search for articles that contain artificial intelligence, but none of those which specifically named ChatGPT in their contents. Remember that you can add as many boxes as needed, or simply type your search into one box. Play around with different terms and combinations to alter your search results. Let's try running a simple search to see what our results look like. I'll try entering artificial intelligence in quotations and education and click search. If our results return 100,000 articles, we may want to narrow it down some more. If we have fewer than 10 results, we may want to reconsider our search terms to expand our results. In the left-hand column, we have many options for limiting our results. The main 4 are at the top. The first is the full text box, which removes any articles that don't have the full text of the article available and would need to be borrowed through interlibrary loan. You can learn more about interlibrary loan, or ILL, from the Interlibrary Loan Guide on the library homepage. The Reference Available filter is not often checked, but can be useful. This filter results in articles which list all the sources used and consulted for writing the article. It's a good idea to make use of the peer-reviewed box. This will show results that have been peer-reviewed. This is especially important for graduate classes. Using this filter ensures the highest quality results. Finally, we have the Date filter. You can use the slider or type in your date range in the boxes. This is an easy way to make sure your articles are within a recent range, especially if your assignment requires that sources not be older than a certain number of years. After filtering your results, you should now have some usable, up-to-date resources on your topic, which you can begin reviewing for use in your research project. For help with selecting articles, please see our Judging Articles video.